Got our Hurst Shifter in the Fox Body. I swapped it out today. I took the stock shifter out. I do like the stock shifter. The original shifter in these cars were, I think they were called European. They were just all black, like the big leather boot. I think they called it leather. It might have been rubber. With like a black ergonomic handle. I do like the stock shifter, but the Hurst here gives the car an old school vibe I like. Just it kind of pops with the white and red interior, the white knob. But yeah, did a little bit of playing around with cars this weekend. Didn't do too much Saturday. Was out on the Harley. But Sunday afternoon, I'm out for a ride after I basically got this thing washed and waxed, and just trying to get this thing ready to do some car shows this year. I just kind of want to, start this thing up and go. I don't want to detail it in the morning before a show. But traffic is crazy around here. Sunday afternoon, I'm waiting across a four-way intersection. But anyway, hope y'all had a good weekend.